Hi, I'm Dan at Michael Engineering. If you are using an epoxy for potting electronics, then we have the equipment that you're looking for. This is our Super-E. This compact, air-driven meter mix system is capable of dispensing self-leveling, two-part epoxies in a wide variety of adjustable ratios. This Super-E features a set of low-level alarms, stainless steel vacuum reservoirs to degas the material, heater bands to warm the material, as well as insulating wrapped on the hoses to maintain the heat. This unit is equipped with an electronic shot controller with 50 programmable slots of memory for a precise and accurately metered shot of material every time, while dispensing from our snuffback gun that is mounted on this highly adjustable 5-axis stand. This gun is triggered by a foot switch to allow the operator use of their hands. The snuffback gun stops the resin flow fast and cleanly while making the potting job efficient and accurate when paired with the shot controller. This Super-E is an excellent choice for a wide array of jobs. Give us a call today to hear how this machine can make your job easier.
Simple, economical, dependable at michaelengineering.com. For all dispensing needs, you can contact us for speed at michaelengineering.com.